Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to make معمول date cookies, delicious. What you need, one package of baking dates, so you have to, why I'm doing like this, so to look for pits, little pits, broken, little broken pits inside. I love this kind of dates because it doesn't have too many things in it. It's very clean. Just keep squeezing it between your fingers so you feel the dates between the pits. Add 2 tablespoons of orange blossom. Keep kneading it like this between your fingers. See how? Just to get to the consistency of the dates to be smooth, easy to work with. Now you add 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. If you don't have cinnamon or cloves, just let it go. Don't put it. I like mine because I love cinnamon and cloves with the cookies. Gives us a very good smell, very good taste too. See how it is? The dough is very soft. Now we bring a plate and we start shaping them into balls, like 12 grams to 15 grams a ball. Very small ball. So this is how small they are. Now we make the dough. You need 2 sticks of butter, room temperature, ½ cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of yogurt, plain yogurt, any yogurt, but has to be plain. Use the whisk, use the machine, or with your hand mixer. Beat it well. See how it is? It's very white, very fluffy, and thick too. Now we're gonna add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Just keep mixing it until fluffy. I'm gonna show you. See how? White and fluffy. Now I have 3½ cup of flour. You put 2½ cup for now in the mixer. Don't put it at once. You don't want the dough get dry. I have ½ cup of powdered milk, ½ cup of powdered sugar, ½ teaspoon of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't put too much salt because it's already sweet. The dough is sweet. So take the whisk and switch it to the hook for the dough and let the machine do the work. See, every time check it with your hand, with your fingers, and see how the consistency of the dough. Mine is still sticky, so I'm gonna add ½ cup of flour, it's still a little bit sticky. I'm gonna add an additional ½ cup, equivalent to 3 cups now I put. That's it, that's what I needed. See how the dough is? Very nice, doesn't stick to your hands. Cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. Now mine is already 30 minutes. I'm gonna start working now with it. Now I'm gonna shape my dough into balls, like 28 grams to 30 grams. I have these mold, you know, these molds, one wood and one plastic. You can spread the oil in the wood. See how I'm shaping it inside, make a hole, you know, and put one date inside. Just close it like this. Whatever extra dough, take it out. Choose any shape you want and just, mine is very new, so I have a little bit difficulty with it, but just put oil or flour before you put your cookie. See how? It's very nice. I put some flour in this one. See? Just make a hole inside and just put inside the date that you rolled up, and see how? It's very easy and delicious also. You can bake it at 350 Fahrenheit. Mine is ready already. So I spread some powdered sugar on it. If you don't want to spread powdered sugar, just let it cook. Get a little bit brown. Look at this. Mine is ready. Delicious. I'm gonna cut one into half. Look at this. Try it. You're gonna be happy with it. Delicious too. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Thank you.